Greens one and all, how's everybody doing? I hope well. Out in the woods again, as you can see. This is actually the same campsite I was at last time. I didn't overnight then. I didn't overnight last night either because I had stuff going on. I had to get tires in the car, so it kind of ate up a good chunk of my morning. And then afterwards, I was like, I'll just go home and chill. Plus, my leg was giving me a hard time. You know, arthritis. Don't get old, folks. It's not, I give it a 1 star. So anyway, I wanted to show you this Cookset I got. These guys reached out to me requesting a review, so I said, you know what? I'll do it. And actually, this is the second time recording this. Because when I recorded it the first time, I wasn't happy with the video quality, so I just said, delete, I'll always redo it. So I'm out here today. I got my pack just off camera. Got some lunch planned. So let's go over the set and I'll show it to you. In fact, I'll just go ahead and tilt you down. Well, here she is. This is a 6-piece kit. Come on, camera, adjust. Now this strap that goes around holds everything together. For the life of me, I cannot seem to feed this through. It's supposed to go through here, but I just cannot seem to get it to go through, no matter what I do. Because I think you're supposed to be able to lock this down. So I just couldn't do it. So I don't know if it's just me or the strap or I'm doing it wrong, but I don't know why they had a squared edge. They should have had a 90-degree edge, so it would just, yeah, corner could have fit right in. Maybe I'll cut it and put a lighter to it, see if I can get it to work, or it just could be me. So and they consider this one of the pieces. So this is piece number 1, and then it comes with a frying pan, but it's also a lid. So you could. I do actually have an idea for cooking in this, even though it's got, as you can see, it's got the grated bottom. So maybe a small steak, but I've actually got an idea that I'm going to do with this. I got my little notes here. As I mentioned, I didn't mention it, but this is AdvenCrew. Oh no, AdvenCrew. Excuse me. Someday on this channel, I will learn to speak, but not this day. Anyway, it comes with a 1.1 liter kettle. And then it comes with a pot grabber. This is also one of the pieces. So I've got like 4 of these now. So 1.1 liter kettle. I hope it was some kind of a coating over the wire. I've actually this looks like the same size as my titanium or my Trangia one. So, and I've been super happy with it. So, kettle for boiling water, which is pretty nice. I've actually grown to appreciate those a little bit more. Now then it has the bigger pot and then the smaller pot. One of these, this is the 1.6 liter, they call it the rice cooker. I don't know why, but it's you know, it's a good sturdy looking pot. So, and then this one is a 1.3 liter, they call it the soup pot. So don't know why, but the lid, so you can put the lid on both of these, so the lid fits. The skillet either fits on there like that or fits on this one. So this one, as you can see, it fits, you know, actually inside the top. It's probably why they call it the rice cooker, because you can seal it. But it might be interesting to try making rice in this. And then this one just goes over the top, but you know, it's a pretty solid fit. So that's it. Pretty simple. I don't have weights of these, but they don't feel very heavy. And of course, depending on what you're going to be cooking and depending on what you're going to be doing, you can always, you know, leave one home, you know, bring the kettle, and the lid if you want. You know, break it down, or however you want to do it, or just bring the big one, of course. You know, however you want to roll with it. So, of course, this will just be the initial first look of the product, because I'm actually, like I said, I'm actually going to be cooking on this probably right after this. Well, actually, no, I gotta get a fire going, and then I'll start cooking. But the price on their website said, I saw two prices, so I'm not sure. It said $49.99 or $52.99. So, you know, with the amount of cookware you get, I think that's actually a pretty decent price. Because sometimes just one pot with a lid could run you $20, $25. But you get the kettle plus the pot lifter, which is always handy, and then you get the other bigger pot too. So, like I said, depending on how you want to use it and how many people. So, of course, the link for their website will be down in the description, and also the link for this set, the 6-piece set, will be a separate link as well. So they have other things to offer. They had camping chairs. They had a bunch of other stuff on their website. So I forgot to see if they had an Amazon store, but that's something I want to check out. If I do, they do have an Amazon store. I'll link it as well. And yeah, I need to get fire rolling so I can start making lunch. So as always, I do appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you next one. See you later.